Hi guys, I am back and it is time to do our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing for the month of January in the year of 2022. So let's go ahead and dive on in. Let's see what this is about. Oh, okay. The bag is cute. I'm loving that smiley face. Anyways, let's go ahead and see what this first product is that is peeking out. So I do think I picked this guy. I always have a hard time remembering who I picked and who I didn't pick. But we'll go ahead and talk about this. This is the Huxley Secret of Sahara Mask Oil and Extract. And that great things never came from comfort zones, which generally speaking, I agree with. I feel like, you know, it's January. It's time for like New Year's resolutions and stuff. So it says this is an innovative dual pouch facial sheet mask that combines cactus extract and hand harvested prickly pear seed oil. It leaves skin soft and glowing and it's made of soft ultra thin microfiber. So I never am angry about a sheet mask. What I'm trying to figure out right now, oh, okay, as 3 sheets. So my biff with this, or my beef, if you will, is that in the normal Ipsy Glam bag, usually 2 sheet masks or 1 item, and then like, okay, so we're gonna consider a full-sized version of this 3 sheet mask when in like last month, or not last month, but a couple months ago, they gave me 5 sheet masks, which I understand they're all different quality, but I have beef nonetheless. Either way, we'll see how these do. Generally speaking, I love a good sheet mask. Moving on, we have the Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray by Kimchi / possibly Kimchi Chic. So it says, you've managed to beat on that mug after carefully blending it all to perfection. Now take this bottle and spritz this magical liquid all over your face to seal that masterpiece. You've worked too hard to let that makeup go anywhere. So this will be very interesting. Obviously I'll try this out over the course of the next month, but dear Lord, doing makeup in the summer in Texas, it's a struggle. I do a lot of like barely their makeup looks because it all melts off super fast. So this should be interesting to see whether or not come summer this holds up well. I do want to go ahead and see if this has any sort of fragrance. Right now, my setting spray that I'm using is just the Tarte one. You know, the Tarte one. I feel like I need to be more specific, but if I just say the Tarte one, I think most of you will understand that maybe. I don't know. This does have a little bit of a fragrance, which if you're not about fragranced facial products, maybe this one won't be for you. Something that I just pulled out is the card, which, ooh, it looks like my light might not be working in this scenario. But anyways, just realized I'm gonna have to work out the lighting scenario, but we'll move on. This month's theme is happy vibes. This month and year, make time for the things that make you smile, whether it's soft pastel shadows, your favorite podcast, DIY manis. When you invest in bliss, the world becomes a brighter place. And let's see, the Happy Skin cheat sheet. Interesting. So it has a lot of the like main ingredients that is used in a lot of skincare or that's marketed for like good skincare and breaks it down and what works. I actually kind of love this. It talks about AHAs, hyaluronic acid, caffeine, BHAs, vitamin C, benzoyl peroxide, and retinol. Love that. Okay, I might actually have to like keep this handy in my vanity. That's the word I was looking for. This next one is the Context Nude Balm, which I might have picked this. I did pick this. Okay. I knew I picked something that came in a duo, which there are 2 tubes in here if I can get them out. Okay. This is fun. Okay, that was tight, but here we go. So we have 2 lippies. Ooh, here is first lippy in the shade All or Nothing. We'll go ahead and give that a swatch. Oh, I love that. Oh, good. Again, I kind of like this more as a summer product than I do as a winter product, but I love tinted lip balms. especially in the summer, because again, I don't like to do heavy makeup looks. This other one, oh, it's much darker. It's called Hard Time. No, I'm not going there. Not going there. That's what she said. Anyways, there is Hard Time, both in the shade and in the light. Again, in the shade, in the light. I love this journey of being a YouTube person and discovering things. It's great, guys. You should do it. Anyways, moving on. The next product is by 111 Skin. It is a hyaluronic acid aqua booster. So I'm probably going to say this is either a serum or a moisturizer. We'll go ahead and open this up. This is not the first product I've gotten from 111 Skin before. Oh yeah, I'm going to call it a serum, I'm pretty sure. This is what it looks like. Go ahead and give this... after getting some serums that are like thick, I always like to do a test to see like the thickness of it. And it's pretty, it's not like super thin, but it's not the thickest serum I've ever gotten. Let's see, it says shake well before use, mix 1 to 2 drops into the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer or apply directly to skin after cleansing. Interesting. Does the box have anything fun to say? It says this ultra hydrating concentrate provides an instant moisturization boost to quench and replenish dry and dehydrated skin. After use, the complexion will appear plump, conditioned, and rejuvenated. Okay, I see what you're saying, right, man? And then I think we're on to our last product, which is Koa Life Mist Me Rejuvenating Toner. So this is something I picked because I'm almost out of toner. I do generally like to apply a toner after I have cleansed my face in the evening. And I do like the idea of this being in a spritz bottle. I do have reusable cotton pads that I just use for my toner generally, but this I feel like would even eliminate the need for that. And this would be super nice for traveling whenever I start doing that again. It says this nourishes and calms the skin and improves appearance of skin tone. Excuse me, that was very unladylike. Anyways, moving on. If you watch my videos, you know that after I get done doing this month's unboxing, I go ahead and give you guys an honest review of last month's products now that I've had a hot chance to use them. So the first thing, I think I'm gonna highlight my nails. So these nails, I did them yesterday. I used the nail polishes I got from Culture Concept. That sounds right. Complex Culture. Close enough, but no cigar. So this is Ipsy's brand. And I will say, like, I am by no means like super great at doing my nails, but they kind of look fleek. I'm very excited about these nails and this nail polish. I will say I did have to do 2 coats to get full coverage on each of these nail polishes. I probably could have gotten away with just doing 1 on the shimmer, but if that's something that's important to you, I keep that in mind. I do watch Simply Nailogical, and I know she, generally speaking, at least with her black nail polishes, she likes a good, what she calls 1 coat black. Anyways, moving on, the next product is a liquid concealer by Jacka Black, which I have been using in all my makeup looks over the course of the past month or so whenever you see one of my videos. I do really like this. It's sometimes, not all the times, I can't figure out why, but sometimes it did irritate the bags underneath my eyes whenever I did it as an under eye concealer. Generally speaking, like, I have textured skin, I have acne, and while my acne has seemed to calm down so much over the course of the past months, which I can't decide whether it's weather related or if it's because I started using a benzoyl peroxide words. I started using acne cream when I used to not to because it used to dry out my face too much. But I've since evolved, or maybe my skin's changed. I don't know. Anyways, like it, would recommend. The next product was also by Complex Culture. This is the Blush Duo. So I'm wearing the darker pink blush today. In some of my older videos, I did wear the lighter pink blush. And I also used this as an eyeshadow for a couple of videos. Overall, liked it. Very happy with this. The next product is the Kate Somerville Exfolikate Glow Moisturizer. So this is nice and thick. I put it on both in the morning and in the evening. What I liked about this moisturizer was when I would put it on in the evening, following the next morning when I would wash my face like I always do, I could actually feel it still on my skin. So like, kudos to that. Now, something that maybe I was confused about, maybe not, I don't know. I kind of thought this was like more of an exfoliator. Maybe it did, maybe it didn't. Maybe it's hard to tell because I was using it in combination with other products. I don't know. I don't feel like it exfoliated as much as maybe what it was led on to say, considering it was called Exfolikate, which makes me think of exfoliate. I don't know. Maybe I'm just reading this entirely wrong. Either way, really liked this as a winter moisturizer specifically. In the summer, I probably wouldn't use this, but this is a great winter moisturizer. And then last but not least, we have the Verb Ghost Prep, what's it called? Heat protector. That's what I was trying to say. So I just started using this. I don't do my hair all that often as far as applying heat to it. Most days for work, I just throw it up in a ponytail or a messy bun. But when I do film videos or I'm trying to look a little bit nicer, I do use this before applying any sort of heat to my hair. I ain't mad about this. If you like this video, please consider doing all the things that makes YouTube more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on that notification bell. Anyways, stay safe, stay healthy. I can't think of any upcoming holidays. I guess maybe Happy Valentine's Day, but it's still like a hot time of day. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is thank you for watching.